Today we're going to continue with day 2 of Module 3, Lesson 15. The objective is to interpret the unknown in multiplication and division to model and solve problems. So last time we did multiplication, today we're going to focus on division. The materials needed for today are your online whiteboard or your whiteboard dry erase marker and dry eraser. And the teaching style we're going to follow is where I do it, we do it together, and then you do it on your own. First, I'm going to show you an example. Eliza finds a bag of 72 marbles and runs to share them with her friends. There are 8 of them altogether. How many marbles will Eliza and each of her friends get? Okay, so we know there's 72 marbles total, and between Eliza and her friends, there's 8 people that we have to share them with. So, just like with multiplication, we're still going to need our tape diagram. This time, we know that there are 8 groups, okay? Because there's 8 people. Well, you can read that okay. My pen's not cooperating. All right, so there's 8 groups, so we're going to split this tape diagram into 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Altogether, we know that there's 72 total. Okay, there's 72 marbles all together. What we don't know is how many marbles each friend is going to get. So what we need to do is we're going to take our 72 and we're going to break it up evenly between all of our groups. So that means I'm going to put 1 marble in each group, or it would be like giving 1 marble to each friend until we run out of marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. I've taken the 72 marbles and I've split them up evenly. And you'll notice that as I was counting, each time I counted 1 in each box, and when I got to the end, I had given away 8. So I was almost like I was skip counting by 8s. Because first time I gave away 8, and then I went around again, and I was at 16, and went around and gave them again, and was at 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. So it was like I was skip counting by 8s because there was 8 groups and I was giving away 8 each time. Okay. So I put 1 in each group Now let's figure out how many ended up in each group. So we're going to count how many in just one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we had 72 marbles. We divided them into 8 groups and ended up with 9 per group. So that is the word problem. And there's our equation that matches our word problem. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Okay, let's go ahead and have you try one with me. Shiva pours 27 liters of water evenly into 9 containers. How many liters of water are in each container? So first, I'm going to have you write your equation. We have 27 liters, and we're dividing it into 9 containers or 9 groups. And we have to figure out what that equals. Make sure that equation is on your board. (27) divided by 9 equals what? Once you have that equation, I'm going to have you draw your tape diagram. So get your nice big piece of tape. We want to make sure we make it nice and big so it's easy to put our dots inside. Then we're going to start to label it. So I'm just going to put a little line here that shows that all together, okay, we're going to split it into 9 groups because we have 9 containers. So I'm going to label that 9 groups. Make sure you're writing along with me. Then, of course, we need to split our tape diagram into those 9 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give you a little bit of time to make sure you have your 9 groups. Now we know that there are 27 liters of water total. So I'm going to label that down here as well. 27 total. So label your 27. Then what we need to do is we need to actually put those 27 liters into the 9 containers, and we have to do it evenly. So go ahead with me, and we're just going to make dots, and each dot is going to be like a liter of water. So start in the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm just going to keep my skip count over here like I did last time. So far we've given away 9. We got to keep going because we have to give away 27 liters. So let's keep going. We're at 9. Next is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's keep going. We're at 18. Next is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now we've given away all 27 liters of water. They're split evenly into the 9 containers. So now I want you to go ahead and solve. 27 divided by 9 equals what? Solve that on your whiteboard. Okay, so if you went into any of your groups, you should have been able to count 1, 2, 3. There was 3 liters that we were able to put in each container or in each group. So 27 divided by 9 equals 3, and that's the equation that represents our word problem. Go ahead and erase those whiteboards, and now we're going to go to your homework, which is IXL Skill L5, division word problems. So very similar to what you did with the multiplication ones, except now they're all division. So for example, here we have Peter, and he bought 20 rose bushes and planted them evenly in 10 rows. How many rose bushes are in each row? So you would have to do your tape diagram. Okay, you have 20 divided by 10. So you'd be breaking this into 10 pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you'd have to put 1 rose bush in each of the rows until you got to 20. And then you'd see that 20 divided by 10 equals 2 rose bushes in each row. Okay? Go ahead and get started.